Steaming hot, spicy Indian style chicken fried rice. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's get started by taking a look at what we have here. I've got cooked rice there. There's about 4 cups there of a cold cooked rice. I always say this if you're a regular to the show. That rice was cooked yesterday, put in the fridge. It just fries so much better. Hot and warm rice doesn't fry great, I don't find. 2 cups of bell peppers. Now I'm using bell peppers, but you could be adding any other amounts of vegetables in here that you like. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut it into fairly small pieces, about 3 cups. 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Fresh chili, entirely up to you if you want to put it in or not at all, but I'm going to go with that amount. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 5 or 6 green cardamom pods, and then over here the big 4, we've got 1 teaspoon each of chili, coriander, turmeric and cumin powder. If you don't have that, you could just be putting in 4 teaspoons of a curry powder that you have. Let's get to the cooker, really simple. So a wok or a large skillet or something is required here. I'm using sunflower oil today. You can use a different oil. I've got about 3 tablespoons in there. The heat, I've just put the heat on. We're on a high heat. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds and the cardamom pods, and just for maybe 30 seconds we're going to cook them in the hot oil. Back in a moment. Okay, that's beautiful. That's really infused the oil. Right, 1 cup onion and our chicken. I'm using chicken breast, no skin, no bone. We're going to go with black pepper, nice hefty pinch for me. You can adjust that if you want. And salt. Now, the frying of the seeds that we just done, the cumin seeds and the cardamom pods, don't ever skip that. If you're making any sort of curry or something like that, it's really important just to cook them in some oil for a few seconds. But we're going to go, as you can hear and see, we're on a high heat. We're going to go for about 4 minutes. I'll be stirring this fairly often. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Now the chicken's cut quite small, so it will cook really quickly. We're now going to drop in, that's if you want, fresh chili and a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, which is a mixture of the 2. And we're going to go just for 2 more minutes, again stirring all the time now. Fabulous. Let's now get in our bell peppers. Like I said, I'm using bell peppers. You don't have to use any vegetables, quite frankly. It just adds a bit of colour in there. Or you could add more vegetables, like I say, bulk it out. Now, spices, let's have a look. Equal parts turmeric, cumin, coriander, chili powder. If not, you can just get a curry powder that you have. But the individual spices, for sure, I find so much better. 2 minutes again, stirring all the time on this high heat. Fabulous, fabulous stuff. Okay, we're ready for our rice. Like I say, I'm always using cold rice. Cooked yesterday, you can see, look, beautiful. None of it sticking together. That's because it's been in the fridge overnight. Stay on the high heat. About 4 or 5 minutes. You may have heard me say this so many times. We are not making a rice salad here. We need to fry the rice. If I get a little bit of blackening or browning on my rice, I'm super happy. Adds to the flavour. Super, super fab. That's catching there. Frying the rice. Fry your rice, fry your rice, fry your rice. Off goes the heat. Little bit of fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you may call that. We're going to give that a mix. That's job done. Beautiful stuff. That's it. Another really simple, beautiful, spicy chicken rice there for you. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.